Hello student, today we will discuss about the Williamson synthesis. It is synthesis of ether. Okay, ethers are formed, but basically we have to discuss rate of reactivity of different alkyl halides by SN2 mechanism. Okay, what does it mean? Means which alkyl halide reacts faster as compared to the other. Now we'll see here. Write the question. Decreasing order of reactivity in Williamson synthesis of the following compounds. That is CH3CH2 CH2Cl, CH3CH2 CH2Br. Okay, this is one chloropropane, this is one bromopropane, this is allyl chloride. Write on CH2 double bonds CH CH2 Cl, and fourth one is Me3C CH2Br. What does it mean? This is third butyl group hai. Okay, so third butyl group is attached with this carbon. Clear? Now we will discuss. I will give you some tips. This Williamson synthesis occur by SN2 mechanism. Okay. Now we will discuss about first of all this vinyl grouping, because it is a typical one. Others are same unsaturated one, and this is allyl unsaturated halide. Okay, so see here, it is CH2 double bond CH. Vinyl group is present. Total is allyl chloride, but this grouping is called vinyl grouping. Okay, CH2 double bond CH. This carbon is sp2 hybridized. This carbon is also sp2 hybridized. So it is electron withdrawing, and it withdraws electron from this CH2 group. And Cl is also electron withdrawing. So on both the side, both the ends, C electrons are withdrawing. That is why I did put 2 delta positive. What does it mean? This way electron withdraws from here. Here also electron withdrawing takes place. This makes this CH2 more electrophilic, and because of this, nucleophile attack on it faster. And the second point is Cl is cleaved very easily. Okay, it is good leaving group, so it is cleaved very easily. Now why I have done this? Because I want to compare this allyl chloride with this one chloropropane. Both of them are having Cl group. Okay, but this is cleaved more easily as compared to this. What does it mean? This is doing faster, it is having faster reactivity as compared to this. We have discussed this and this. Now we will discuss about this and this. First and second. Here see, Br is bigger in size, and it is better leaving group also as compared to Cl. So it is cleaved very easily as compared to Cl. It means this is more reactive. One bromopropane is more reactive as compared to one chloropropane. Now you got the idea that when we will discuss about these three, this first one is less reactive as compared to this as well as this. But remember, because Br is bigger in size, that is why it is very easily cleaved as compared to allyl. Okay, so means first ranking goes to bromopropane. Okay, this is one bromopropane. So it is doing faster synthesis as compared to this and then this. Okay, so best one is bromo, then allyl. Okay, then chloro. Now why I have not discussed this? Now I will discuss. Okay, here I have written all the points. You write on, take a screenshot of it, and then you will proceed. See here I have written CBr bond is weaker than CCl bond. So Br is bigger in atom, so bond length is more, so easily break, and so alkyl bromide reacts faster than alkyl chloride. So we have seen that this alkyl chloride is less reactive as compared to allyl chloride as well as bromopropane. Clear? Now we will discuss about the third one. It is having, fourth one is, this one is having third butyl grouping with CH2 along with CH2. So all of them, these will donate, they donate electron to this, they donate electron to this, and this is also donating electron to this. So that is why it is less electrophilic as compared to other halides. So, and second point, it is statically hindered, and as we have discussed that it is going by SN2 mechanism, and it will not prefer static hindrance. That is why third butyl containing molecule, alkyl halide, is least reactive. This is having 1, 2, 3. What is the name of this compound? 1-bromo 2, 2 dimethyl propane. Okay, so this is least reactive. Clear? So decreasing order of reactivity, alkyl bromide, most reactive, then allyl chloride, then alkyl chloride, and then third butyl chloride. Third butyl bromide. If it is chloride, then also it will be least reactive. Clear? Now see here, I have written here CH3, CH2, CH2Br. Okay, this is second number I have given, means this is the best one. This is best to make ether formation. And then allyl chloride, then this chloropropane, and then last one is tert. Okay, this is for tert. This is for this one, first one. This is for second one. This is for one. Clear? This fourth one is for this. Okay, so this is fourth one. So CBr bond length more, so group better leaving group has, so it will easily break up. Clear to you? And then allyl, and then 1-chloropropane, and then third butyl containing alkyl halide. Clear to you? So this is all about Williamson synthesis. Remember these points. They can give you here, instead of alkyl bromide, they can give you iodide also. At that time, what you have to see, that Cl is better, I is better leaving group as compared to Br. Br is better leaving group as well as compared to Cl. Okay, so you keep in mind this thing also. We will discuss it later on. Okay, I told you that this is better leaving group as compared to Br. If you somewhere here it is alkyl iodide, then it will take first position, first ranking. That okay, I will do ether formation first. Okay, but here we have not asked this. We have given bromo, so we are discussing about bromo and chloro group as well as allyl group and third butyl containing compound. Thank you for watching. God bless you. All the best.